On the southern shore of Lake Ohrid rises one of the most sacred and breathtaking places in Macedonia, the Monastery of St. Naum. Surrounded by untouched nature, crystal clear springs, and the soft echo of church bells, this place feels like something out of time, a sanctuary where history, faith, and nature come together in perfect harmony. The monastery was founded in the year 905 by Saint Naum, a student of the great Slavic missionaries Cyril and Methodius. He was a monk, a healer, and a key figure in spreading Christianity and literacy in this region. Alongside Saint Clement of Ohrid, he helped lay the foundations of Slavic education and the use of the Glagolitic script. But Saint Naum is remembered not just as a scholar, but as a man of deep spiritual power. One of the most fascinating local legends says that if you place your ear on his tomb, you can still hear his heartbeat. Pilgrims from all over the world come here to witness this silent miracle, and many say they really do feel it. The monastery has stood the test of time, enduring centuries of earthquakes, empires, and change, yet its spirit remains untouched. Few know that just below the surface lie over 30 hidden springs that feed the lake. These waters are some of the purest in Europe, and the surrounding area is a protected natural reserve. St. Naum is more than a monastery. It's a place of reflection, a gateway between the earthly and the divine, where the beauty of Macedonia speaks for itself.